Okay, now we can change the TCC from, for example, now I'm changing this TCC from 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs to 5 lakhs, right? So there is a difference. Always know you need to make it is zero here. Okay, whatever the difference is coming here, you can type the same here. Okay, at the year 9017. Right now, is there is a 8 is more. Okay, what I do is I press F2 and take out that, and there is a -4. Okay, -4. Now I made it. Okay, this I will make bigger. Okay. Right now, what I kept everything is a formula based. Okay, like see here, if you press F2, there's a formula of 45% of basic is 45% of monthly TCC. Then HRA is 40% of basic. Okay, educational allowance is fixed, and this is a normalizing factor. That's by supplementary allowance or special allowance, whatever you want, you can have it here. I will pick L supplementary allowance or special allowance. Okay, special allowance or supplementary allowance. Okay, supplementary allowance, whatever name you want, you can give this. Okay, right. Now LTA is also basic divided by 12, and annual basic also, annual bonus also basic divided by 12. Right. Next PF is 12% of basic. Right. Here I have taken 4.4% of basic, 4.4%, gratuity 4.4% of basic. Okay, like this I have given a formulas, and manual TCC what I have done is I have made it into 12 for all. Okay, see basic, educational allowance, HRA, and special allowance, LTA. Okay, all everything is 12% of whatever is monthly is there. Okay, like this I had made it like this. Okay, now I want to change it to 12 lakhs. Take for example here 12 lakhs, 12 lakhs. Okay, now to change this, what I do, I'll put 0 here, and whatever number is coming here 21920. Okay, now see again there is a change is there. Okay, 12 lakhs here. So what I do is here I'll take out this -4. What will happen, let me see. Now it is got matched. Similarly, in this way you can change the TCC, the whichever number figure you want in faster manner, you can do it. Now I'll change TCC to 7 lakhs, for example 7 lakhs. See, now I to normalization here I told you, special allowance is a normalized figure. If you make it 0, you will get what amount to enter here, 12703. See, there is something is -4 is there. We need to add here +4. That's all. Now 7 lakhs. Now for example 7.5 lakhs. Okay, see, now again I will make it 0. What is figure is coming? Again 625. Okay, again there is a -4 is there. So okay, what I do is here already there, so that's why it's coming here like this. So it is exactly matching 7.5 lakhs, monthly is 62,500. Like this you can prepare the TCC in faster and easy manner. Thank you.